To create a face frame, you obviously got to determine the length that you want these bits to be. So all these little pieces, whether they're back or forward, you got to determine the length. I want it to be right around the jawline. So as I lift a section, I need to figure out how I can match up the jaw. And what I like to do is just take a little piece. I'll work a line right here, just a soft line right around the face by half closing right around or just a little bit past the jawline. That gives me those little pieces. I want to now use this as a guide. So that's going to be my guideline up top. And I want to elevate the hair to lighten it up. High point, right? Down, pie-shaped section. This is going to swing up. Got my guideline. So now I'm just gonna come in and I'm going to point cut that line. So I come up above the parting here. There's my guide. So I point cut my line. I want this to be shattered. I don't want it to be a blunt line because blunt lines fall heavy. So I soften the line and I want my finger angle to be parallel with the round of the head right here. That's going to allow the hair to fall nice and soft back. I grab another section all the way down to the hairline and I bring that up and around. You barely see that new hair because we're not grabbing too much. And then I take my last section, which is right behind the ear, and I comb all that up and around to the center of the head up here. Tiniest bit to cut at that point. Now what's happening when I'm pulling hair from further and further back on the head? As I go section to section, I'm stretching hair further away from my cutting point. If you're stretching hair further away from your cutting point, what is it doing? It's getting longer. If it's getting longer, we're building length towards the back. When I go to comb this out, watch how nice and soft and blended it falls. You can see the little layers in there. They pop through, but you don't see steps in layers because of the elevation that we held it at. Look at the difference when I go to pull this back off of her face. See how this kind of lays with a little bit higher feel to it, and the other side just has a bulkier, kind of heavier look.